What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are currently at 50 subscribers out of 1,000. Thank you so much. I appreciate everybody, and let me show you guys a trade we ended up taking today. Not this. Take that off the screen. I'm gonna get into that later. So today I ended up taking this trade in micros. Oh, I already have it scaled out. So I ended up taking this trade in micros because I didn't fully like the trade, right? I just wanted to de-risk a little bit and see if it worked out. It worked out. If it didn't, it didn't. So let's get into the bias for today, right? Okay, let's start in the 4 hour. Boom, reset chart. And okay, so today when I got into the markets, we had these 4 hour highs, we had these 4 hour lows down here. If I keep going here, right, same thing, hourly highs, hourly, well, these were 4 hour lows down here. Now, and on ES I had the same thing scaled out, and then in the 15-minute we had a 15-minute, where was it, let me see. Okay, on NQ we had a 15-minute unmitigated area up here, and then we had a 5-minute unmitigated area down here for NQ. And then on ES I really didn't have anything, right? I just had my levels. These were my liquidity sweep levels. So let's scale down, right? When I get into the charts, it is 9 o'clock, so let's mark that out. Boom. At 9 o'clock we end up coming up. We respect this 5-minute imbalance and we come down. So after we respect this imbalance, I'm like, okay, we're pretty bearish, right? We're respecting bearish order flow. And a big thing that I saw today is that NQ dumped a lot further down and took out all my take profit levels, right? My areas I would like to take the trade to. It took them all out, and then ES was not taking them out as fast as NQ, right? So it was delayed. So NQ, like yesterday, was my indicator for today. Now, when I scaled down, right, let me go to the 1 minute. Since we took out all my levels, right, it is now 950 right here. It's 950. It is macro. We end up, hold on, let me see. Okay, on ES, yeah. So on ES, we end up inversing this 5-minute imbalance right here at 10, which is still a macro, but a little past it. We inverse this macro, and then from these 5-minute highs to these 5-minute lows, we come back into equilibrium, and I like the rejection we get here. And so my first trade looked really simple, right? I just this is when I went to the micros right here, and I tried it out, right? So just based off of simple analysis, right, we saw a 5-minute here, equilibrium get hit, we then come down, inverse this bullish imbalance, and I basically just wanted I basically just wanted ES to catch up to NQ, because NQ had already taken out the 4 hour lows that are right, where is it, oh my goodness, that are right here. NQ took these out already while ES hadn't, so I just saw ES basically catching back up. And what we had was a 5-minute, hold on, let me see again, let me go back to the 5-minute. So what we had is a 5-minute pullback into equilibrium from these highs, and then after that we had a 1-minute inverse, right? And another thing is I was in the 15-minute waiting to see if we got that bullish SMT, and we failed to get it. So once we failed to get it, I also entered that trade to the downside. And as you guys can see, once I go here, we end up covering, we almost hit, right, but we didn't. So we end up entering here, comes down, comes back up, comes even further down. We go more than 50% of the trade, and then we end up coming back up, and we end up getting break even, because once we come below these lows, I move my stop loss to break even, and price comes further up, right, and it stops us out. So the reason I didn't retake this trade, I would have thought about retaking this trade right here. Boom, short, whoops, short, entered right here, stop loss here, and then go for the 1 to 2, which is right here. You guys get the point, right? The reason I didn't take this one is because on the 5-minute, we end up breaking 5-minute structure right here. As you guys can see, we break 5-minute structure here with this candle, and same thing for NQ. We end up, hold on, let me see, go here, same thing for NQ. We end up breaking 5-minute structure here. So then I saw price basically coming back into this 5-minute, which is what I was going to target, but I never saw any good confluences, right? I marked this out. Once we got the 5-minute break structure, I marked this out, waiting to see if we can inverse this so I could take it up to the 5-minute. We never got it. We just kept coming down. So, and we also, to back that up, we got the 15-minute SMT from here to here, right? So that's another reason I wasn't willing to take that bearish trade. So nice and simple day today. We got broken even, and yeah, today was really choppy. Even after it was really choppy, as you guys can see. So gotta be careful in these type of conditions. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys didn't lose today, and if you did, it's okay, bro. The losses are part of the game. If you didn't trade today, and you followed your plan, that's what the goal is, right? Whenever we come into these charts, I basically ask myself, how well can I follow my rules today, right? That's it. I don't care if I win or lose. If my rules and my edge was there and I took it, that's a successful day in my books, because that means I followed my rules. So without being said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Nice and simple trade recap, nothing really to it, you know. We got broken even, and yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Instagram's in the description, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.